You know what's really important to stretch? Your wrists. Why? Because we spend a lot of time doing fine little movements like typing or scrolling on our phone or writing, and all these things put strain on these ligaments in our wrists, and that can lead to carpal tunnel syndrome. So we want to prevent that. So here's a quick wrist stretch to break up your day. You can do this multiple times a day. I recommend you doing it at least once, especially if you work on your computer or on your phone. So first step is right arm goes straight out in front of you, like you're saying, stop right there. And then you're going to pull all of your fingers back with your left hand. Good. So I'm pushing through my palm, pushing that wrist out. Let's take 2 deep breaths here. Okay, release that. And now pull on your thumb, right? So my fingers are just pulling my thumb back. Deep breath in and let it go. Okay, relax your hand now. Now drop your hand down. Palm is facing you. You're pushing the back of your hand out. And now I'm going to grab the back of my hand and push in. Now I'm pushing up with my wrist and I'm just stretching here. Let's take 2 deep breaths. Awesome. Release. And you can rotate this wrist a little bit. Shake it out. Good. Next side. Left hand. Stop right there. Pull all 4 fingers back with your right hand and keep pushing through your wrist. Push towards your palm. 2 deep breaths. Release your fingers. Hold on to your thumb. Pull it back. Good. 1 deep breath in. And let it go. Let go of your thumb. Let your hand come down. Palm is facing towards you. Fingers pointing down. You're grabbing the back of the hand and pulling in as you push up with your wrist. Stretching the forearm. Let's take 2 deep breaths. And release that. Rotate the wrist, get the cracks out, and shake it out. And then both hands. Shake it out a little bit. Rotate. La la la. Awesome. We're going to move to hands and knees. So find a comfortable spot on the floor so that you can stand on your knees. And then you're going to bring your hands to the ground. So flip your fingers to point towards your knees. The palm of your hand is on the floor. And right here, all you're going to do is start to bend the elbows. Oh, so if you're like me, you might feel it already, just like a tiny little bend. And you're just going to breathe here. Let's do 3 deep breaths, trying to micro bend those elbows a little bit more. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Good. 1 more breath. So good. Lift up. Ooh, I'm definitely feeling that one. I'm going to rotate the wrists a little bit. And now I'm going to point my fingers towards each other. The backs of my hands are going to go on the ground, just adding a little bit of pressure here. And now from here, I'm going to keep my elbows straight, but I'm going to pull my fingers in towards each other in a fist. Oh, and it feels really weird in the forearm. So you're going to open and then exhale, close the fingers. Do that a few times. You're definitely going to be feeling things in the forearm. Inhaling, exhaling in, inhale, and exhale in. Right? So light pressure, not dumping all the weight into my hands. I'm just working on stretching the forearms. Good, let's do 1 more. And then relax, lift up. Good, and then let's come back to a seat, wherever you're comfortable. Rotate the wrists. And now this is the fun part. Flick, like you've got fingers on your, like you have water on your fingers. Flick it away. Flick, flick, flick. Good. This is great to strengthen your wrists, especially strengthening them for handstands, which we'll try another day. And relax, shake it out, shake, shake, shake. That's it. So do that a few times a day and let me know how it feels.